Okay, welcome to. Is this my third member count channel video? I don't know, but the last one was messed up. So I really need to up my game here, and hopefully most of the people who watched my last video come here because yeah, I really messed them over with the tutorial I gave them. Now I will be doing a GitHub repository. I've been doing them a lot lately, and I'm just gonna keep on doing them, familiarizing the people that watch my videos with Git, as well as um, doing the tutorial and giving them the option of clicking the GitHub link rather than watching the whole video. So hopefully that works out good, and let's create the repository to start off. So I'm gonna create a new repository. We're gonna call it uh, Python member count. Okay, so we're gonna call it Python member count. Create the repository, and we're gonna open Windows terminal over here. Now, if you don't have this terminal, you can install it by searching up Windows uh, PowerShell, I believe, or Windows Terminal in Microsoft Store, or you can open this up, go in this, and copy this, and cd into it through command prompt. It's pretty easy, but yeah, so we're in the code directory over here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna git clone. Are we gonna git clone it? Git init, git add. Yeah, I'm just gonna git clone this. Clone dot git. Okay. And I don't think we need to do all of this, or not. Maybe we do, but I don't think we do. Um, Hold on. Git init empty git repository. Okay, cool. And how do I create hold on. Let's open up Sublime Text first of all. What do we do? I have Atom and Visual Studio Code, but creating Python member count. Okay. Okay. Bot.py. Gonna create a bot.py file. You can just skip to the coding if you want. Up to you, honestly. Foodbot. Save. Get out of here. Let's create a new file. Git ignore. Oh my god, hold on. Discord.com/develop. Okay, so in last video, I didn't regenerate the token after I made it, so Jesus. Anyway, uh, oops. Okay, there we go. What am I even doing? .env. And we're gonna create a new file called .env. We're gonna save all. Save. We're gonna save the .env. Huh? We already saved it. I'm gonna close this. And where is the dot get ignore? Yes. Okay, so I can't find the dot. Get ignore. Get ignore. Oh, I understand now. Okay, we'll save that then. I'm gonna put .env inside here, and we're gonna do token. This is open source, of course, so I'm gonna have to put some security on the token, even though I'm gonna regenerate this. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna save all, and what we're gonna do now is CLS all of this. Get the hell out. We're gonna do git add git ignore. Git ignore did not match any of the files. Okay, that's just perfect. Git ignore. Did I spell it wrong? I did not spell it wrong. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just get on with the coding, I guess. Import Discord, and we'll see what happens from there on. From discord.ext import commands, import anything else we need to import. I don't think so. Import actually from a Synceo, import sleep. Yeah, we'll just do that. Okay, so client equals commands dot bot command underscore prefix equals exclamation point help command equals none. We don't need any intents. Actually, we do. We need the server members intent to track when servers actually, come into the server and leave the server. So this is already on. This is also on, so I'm just gonna put intents equals discord dot intents dot all, because I think we need this over here. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm not, but we'll just see when we test out the code. Intents equals intents. Yeah, this should work. Now we're gonna do client dot command async define. We're gonna do client dot event event. Okay, event. I am horrible at typing. Jesus. Member join. Now of course we need to handle rate limits, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. But before we handle rate limits, we're gonna check to see if now we're gonna use the for loop to loop through the channels and check if there's a channel that starts with member. Now rather than actually getting the channel and checking to see if the name, and using the actual name, we're gonna use the starts with method to check if it starts with members or member or M, because at this point I'm pretty sure most MemberCon channels start with member or M. So yeah, I'm just gonna assume that it's gonna be looking like this: members or member count, something like this. If it doesn't look like that, then just manually make it look differently. But anyways, what we're gonna do now is on member join, we're gonna wait. So we're gonna wait like, what are we gonna wait for? We're gonna wait for 10 minutes, okay? We're gonna wait for 10 minutes. So await sleep 60 10. So that's basically 10 minutes. 10 times 60 seconds is 10 minutes. So we're not gonna actually do 10 minutes because I don't want to wait for that long to make this video. So we're gonna do 10 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna handle the rate limits with 10 seconds. Okay, so now we're gonna do for the for loop. It's coming in for channel in member dot guild dot channels. What we're gonna do is loop through the guild channels, and channel is, just think of it as a variable, and the channel, okay, you know what, let's just do this. I don't know how to really explain it, but yeah, let's just do this. If channel dot name, so as you can see here, we're looping through the guild channels, and we're gonna check to see if the channel we're gonna check to see if any of the channels that we've looped through has a name that starts with member. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So if channel.name, you could also do channel.id. I think, maybe not, who knows, but follow me if you want to be completely sure. So channel.name dot starts with if channel. Okay, we're gonna create a string and we're gonna put M, preferably member, because there may be other channels that possibly have names that start with M too. So yeah, if it starts with member, we're gonna do await channel dot edit name equals members. Let's make it an S string, and we're gonna do member dot guild dot member count. Okay, and that's pretty much it, I think. So we're gonna test this out. Actually, hold on a second. Okay, so yeah, I was going to test this out, but I realized that I don't need to. This is basically correct. So all I'm gonna do now is put a break here. For loops, I usually just put breaks just in case, because they have a tendency to, you know, loop over and over again. I don't know. Every time I've used async for, they usually just loop over and over again. So I'm assuming that it's the same with the for loop. I don't use it often, but just in case, I put a break here. so it only changes it once as soon as it does it. So yeah, that's something you have to look out for with for loops. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure they loop over and over again, and you don't want that. That's gonna rate limit your bot. And yeah, now we're gonna save. I don't know what's. Oh, we have to cd into the repository. I forgot. So let's cd into it. If this could work, cd into Python uh, member count, and we're gonna do git add git ignore. We're gonna do git add bot.py. We're gonna do git commit. The message will be initial commit. And we're gonna do git. We're gonna do git push. New branch master. Okay, perfect. Git add .env. Actually, we do need to create the what's it called? We need to create the token thing. So let's import OS. Let's do from .env import this is all correct, by the way. I'm not gonna test it out because I'm too lazy. Just trust me on this one, please. We're also gonna change this up and push it again. So .env import load.env, and we're gonna put load.env over here. Yeah, that should be good. Don't steal my token, thank you very much. Actually, we need to save it. Save. The following is ignored. Save. So no, we don't save. Client.login. No, client.run. os.get env token. Okay, now we can save, I believe. You should also put I'll also put an event for when the bot is online off camera. But yeah, you can just let's also add a readme file. readme.md. Save. Oh, and run the code. And yeah, let's just do that. Okay. No, actually. Okay. Okay, so that should be good, right? commit. No, we're gonna add first. Git add. We're gonna add everything. Git commit. Jesus, why is it so slow? 20 minutes in. Close this, of course. The commit message will be finishing touches. And we'll do git push. And there we go. Once it's done pushing, we should see the changes over here. Hopefully. And let's refresh the page. And there we go. What I will do though is run the code. I'm lazy. Just trust me. Other than that, let's just close this. You can join the server if you have any problems in Python, Discord Pi, Pillow, anything coding related, and especially anything that has to do with my videos. I should be able to help you out, and the helpers in this server should be able to help you out. Another reason why you could join the server is you can advertise your bot here. We only have 120 people, but over time it'll grow, and it's just a way to give my bot developers some publicity, I guess. But that's all. I talk on here pretty often, so if you want to talk to me and stuff like that, you can come here. It's a cool community I have over here. Pretty cool community. Pretty good bots. But yeah, any help that you would need, any bots that you may have, of course they need to be open, not open, actively online and on bot lists. They need to be a public bot. Okay. So yeah, that's all. Again, you can come here for help. Anything that happened during this video that you don't really understand, or any errors that you may have gotten, just join the server. Okay, so you can also join the Discord Pi server. Wouldn't have been able to make these videos without them. They helped me greatly. So if you don't want to join this, make sure to at least join a coding server where you can get help. Okay, so if you know what you're doing, you don't have to join. And yeah, that's all. Really long video, even though this is only like 5 lines of code. Anyway, have a nice day and hope I helped.